far away. I have to jog. Alright. At least I can get their trail. Halfway anyways. Okay, time to bushwhack. You must be able to see whatever it is he keeps hammering on about it. I hate these damn bushes. Yeah, you can see whatever it is. It don't work as bad if you can't see it. That train is so fucking big, man. Oh, I plant. What you got? Alright, let's see if I can find it. You seem pretty damn sure it's here.